everybody, Street Star Cardistry, the card collector, and I'm here today with the WTF Cardistry deck from World Card Experts, made by DeVoe, printed by United States Playing Card Company. And I've done a previous unboxing of the recent Bicycle Cardistry deck, but I thought I'd throw these into the mix and do a little video as well. These are a different deck than what's normally out there. First of its kind. It is a spelling deck. And so, while fanning, you can get letters and create words. Here's the duck. Same back design as the most recent Bicycle Cardistry. World Card Experts on the top, spelling deck on the side, nothing on that guy, and some info on the bottom. WTF real big on the front. Let's crack these guys open and see what's up. Alright, on the inside of the flap, we got part of the back design on there, and this is actually used on the diamonds as well. On the inside of the flap of the tux, we got a little smiley face guy. He's actually sticking out his tongue at you, not me, you, on both sides of the flap. Alright. Here's the back. Nice, clean, simple design. These look awesome when they're fanning out. We got a cover card. Question mark. We got that guy back up in the corners. Add card. World Card Experts, Cardistry. And an exclamation. Put the guy back up in the corner. See how that fan's so beautiful. I really like this design. And right now he has a Kickstarter going on with his ninjas, the Kiwi ninjas, and there's only a couple days left, so if you get a chance, go over to Kickstarter and pledge for that and grab yourself up some of those decks. They're going to be badass when they come out. So getting into the deck, here's the Ace of Spades. Now, we got letters on each side, so that when you do fan these, you could spell out words, and that's what this is all about. So it's a spelling deck, and I'll go through kind of everything. B, C, D, going through the alphabet. So even into the courts. So here's the Jack, but it's a K. Queen of Spades, L. King of Spades is the M. We head over to the Ace, and we got still the letters. There is no you got small pips in the corners there, but that's about it. So these still could be used for playing cards, but that's not really what this deck is about. I believe he did this for cardistry fanning and spelling. So you pretty much spell anything with this deck, and you know, it starts to repeat again, as long as you don't get too many duplicates of one letter. So, and then the Ace of Hearts, we end on an N. So that is what the deck is looking like. Still fans out with the numbers. Look at that fan. Look at those colors. Very, very, very nice. So, let's see if we can get something. Real quick. I think this is a great idea. It's something that you can play around and definitely have some serious fun with. You know, it's and that's what I think it's meant for doing. And if you can create some type of routine and use these in a flourish or something like that, I think it would probably look pretty dope, and a lot of people would be, it would really stand out. So you might want to go and pick yourself up a few of these decks. Now look what I'm spelling. FWT. Totally backwards. So we flip these around. Boom. WTF. Cardistry. This was the spelling deck from DeVoe, World Card Experts. The WTF deck, printed by Bicycle. Awesome, awesome, awesome deck. You can even bring in the new Bicycle Cardistry and add in more cards, being that the back design is still the same. So it's kind of endless. You can do a lot with this deck. If you get a chance, you see these, grab these up. You won't be disappointed. Street Star Cardistry, the card collector. Peace.
It's that AK, mob shit. Round with a boss bitch. Moet, sippin', faded off with that boss shit.
Rolling through the city, it's amazing. Bang. Never gonna see me with a basic. Bitch. Never give a fuck about a hater. No. Girl, you wanna kick it, better keep it low. Low, my eyes so low. Throw money in the sky, falling down slow-mo. Black hoodie on with the hat to the back. Southgate City, put it back on the map. I rep it too hard like we chose back. Keep the memory alive like we chose back. Looking at my homies where the weed smoke at. And I'm coming through your door like the repo man. Ski mask on, better tell me where the money at. Came up, now tell me where the honey's at. Tattoos on the face, my description.